Hi, this is John Braun with Hitman Advertising. I've been teaching my online neighborhood marketing course where I've been teaching cleaners how to do Facebook ads and Google AdWords. And there's a couple of things I'm kind of shocked about that cleaners either aren't doing at all or not doing well, and for the most part, they're not doing at all. So I wanted to go over these two things and show you how quick it is to do and actually just show you how to set it up. Now the first one of these things is getting more likes on your Facebook page, and it's super easy. Just go to your Facebook page and scroll down here on the right sidebar where you can actually find something that says know friends who might like your page, and just click on this, and then all you have to do is select all and click send invites to all of those people. And that's it. Everybody on your Facebook list, on your friends list for your personal page, will get a notification and get asked to like your page. Now, this is something that is somewhat new. They used to not have it that easy. You'd have to go through and individually click on all of the different people. Now it's just something where you click on this one link and it lets everybody know. Now there's a rumor that this might not continue to work this way. So that's why I highly recommend anytime you see something like this easy, this simple on Facebook, jump in and do it right away. And all you got to do is click select all and click send invites, and everybody on your friends list will be invited. Super easy, some way to get dozens, if not maybe hundreds of likes very, very quickly to your Facebook page. Now the other thing that I want to talk about takes a little bit longer, but it's still pretty simple. Now you probably have people on your email list or people that you've gotten emails from in the past that have either unsubscribed to your list or have been past clients from years ago. Now that's kind of a thing where you're not really supposed to email them if you've gotten their email from more than 2.5 years ago, because they probably don't remember who you are and they're probably going to unsubscribe, and it's probably not going to be a good thing anyway for your email list. So what do you do with those emails? Now keep in mind too, what I'm about to tell you about, you can actually also do with even your current email list. So it can be everybody, past email subscribers and current email subscribers. But you can basically get their emails, put it into an Excel file, which is if you've already got something where you can export it out of Aweber or Constant Contact or QuickBooks or anywhere, you should be able to get it into an Excel file very, very easily. Or you can even just copy and paste it. You don't even have to have it in an Excel file. You can copy and paste it. But here I am setting up created a new Facebook campaign, and I'm clicking on Create New, and I'm going to create a new custom audience. And then I'm going to click on Customer File, and I'm going to add customers from your own file or copy and paste, or I can actually import from MailChimp right there. And here I would either copy and paste here, or I would upload my Excel file or my text file, and they would have to be individually lined one by one for the email addresses. And I can send Facebook ads and set up Facebook ads to all of those people, regardless whether they unsubscribe, regardless of whether it was years ago that they were clients. And this is a really sweet thing, and I highly recommend that you do this. Why? Because in a few months, Facebook isn't going to allow you to upload old lists and old people. Right now, it's totally safe, it's totally legal. Do it before it's too late from your past clients. This is a great way to activate your past clients. And when you do this, I recommend that you go down to the bottom and bid only 30-40 cents. We're going to be talking a lot more about this in the online neighborhood marketing course, so keep that in mind, but do this and get this set up. Now, so the other question that I always get with this is, well, geez, John, what if they moved away? What if they sign up for my email list, or I got their email and when I cleaned for them, and that was 3 years ago, and now who knows what state or city they live in? Well, here's how you quickly solve that. You can also make a tag for location and make sure that you're only marketing to people in your city. So you click on your city and however many miles outside of your city that you want to target to. That way, if they moved away, you're not marketing to them. So everybody that you have ever gotten an email address from, you can put into this system and make sure that they're still in the area and they're going to see your Facebook ads. Again, we'll be talking about more of this in the online marketing course. So make sure that you do these two things. They're super simple, super easy. The other one's first one's free. This one's only 30, 40. If you want to bid as much as 50 cents, you might not even have to bid that much per click. So this is sweet stuff to do. I highly recommend that you do it. Get it done.